Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ito po muli si Engineer Alejandro, isang OFW, ang inyong stock tambay. Muli handang magbahagi ng kwentong kalakal at kuro-kuro mula sa Philippine Stock Exchange. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe, share, at pindutin ang notification bell para updated ka sa bagong videos na aking i-upload. And we're here again for the OFW Average Trader PSE Weekly Performance Review. We're very happy to be here again to share the latest happening in the Philippine Stock Exchange. But before diving in, I would like to send our heartfelt gratitude to the regular viewers of this channel. We thank you for continuously supporting us. In return, I will work very hard to give and share with you the most significant information and signals in interpreting the market using the chart through our technical analysis. Let's get started. Our PSEI Index. Our week opener gave a fair opening on a Monday at 6,414, which is higher than the last week's closing but closes lower at 6,364. That gave us a red inverted candle. Come Tuesday, the market opens higher at 6,393 and closes at 6,423. That made the market sentiment a bit optimistic with a green engulfing candle. Then on a Wednesday, the market opens almost the same level yesterday at 6,416 and closes a bit higher at 6,490. That gave us a green dragonfly candle. On Thursday, since 2 consecutive days appears to be optimistic, the market continues with an opening mark at 6,401 and went higher with a closing price at 6,468. Then on Friday, as always expected, when there are gains at the early days of the week, profit taking will surely transpire with the market opening at 6,468 but closes lower at 6,395, giving us a solid red engulfing candle. Overall, as the market went on establishing its higher low trend this week, it is evident that the short-term gains have resulted to profit taking at end of the week at market closing. Though profit-taking were made, our chart appears to be moving normally as it established its higher low pattern. With the continuation of this textbook movement, we could expect that the market will try to attempt to break the previous resistance at 6,600. Now, let us proceed to our individual stocks where the first on the line is Ayala Corporation. Ayala Corporation. Even in the absence of any significant news that would serve as a catalyst for Ayala Corporation stock, the chart continued its upward movement which started at the end of last week. With the confirmation of bounce at 543 support area, the stock went on a bullish mode for almost the entire week, though profit-taking transpired at the last day of the week with an approximate gain of 10% for quick traders. Moving forward to Ayala Land. Continuous and consistent share buyback program of Ayala Land stock made its position stronger, which was confirmed by easily breaking at the previous resistance level at 25.7. With the continuous upward consecutive movement for almost 2 weeks now, made some of the investors do away their position and decided to take profit for a gain around more than 20% already. Now let's move forward to BDO. Still, the absence of significant news report for BDO reflects within the chart movement in a sideways manner, thus appearing investor sentiment to be in a uncertainty mode. Should there be shift in the projection of signals will indicate a shift of sentiment as well. Then moving forward to Converge. Due to lack of new significant news report, Converge keeps moving sideways but consecutive selling pressure for the entire week made its movement to attempt and break the current support area. Maintaining its ground above the 18.2 support will indicate the start of establishing its new support level before it proceeds to move sideways. Now let's move to Jollibee Foods Corporation. With the recent completion of its annual stockholders meeting last month or 2 weeks ago, the chart continues to move on a consolidation mode. As we have mentioned previously, we expect Jollibee to continue to move sideways until new development came up that will help investor sentiment becomes positive. Then going back to our banking sector, which is Metrobank. The absence of significant news report for Metrobank affects the stock movement. Hence, it continues to go down and reattempt to break or establish its new support area. If in case it didn't sustain its position above the current support level, sentiment might appear to be more bearish and higher low formation will confirm its downtrend pattern. Moving forward to JGS. Another stock that doesn't have any significant news report is JG Summit Holdings. Though the stock appears to try to bounce back its upward trend with a consecutive day of gain this week. Profit taking transpired for 2 days before end of the week. In spite of the 2-day profit taking, the movement for the past 2 weeks appears to be bullish overall. Should it continue to attempt and reach the previous resistance level, we will expect the move to be an upward trend establishment with the confirmation of a higher low move next week. Then let us move forward to SMPH. Another news report involving expansion project in Tagaytay Highlands with 685 million peso Trialba investment project became a catalyst for SMPH stock to continue moving higher for 3 days this week. Should optimism persist next week, we expect a move to establish higher low formation before it continue to break the nearest area of resistance. And finally, let's go and move forward to our focus on stock, which is Mega World. Probably the absence of news report this week made the Mega World stock pause its upward movement temporarily and currently moving sideways trying to establish its new support area at 1.92 to 1.94. Should it complete its confirmation of new support area, continuation of upward movement will be expected next week, which will be confirmed upon breaking the nearest resistance level at 2.03, which is 16% from the support area. As Mega World stock just completed its first breakout wave, we are looking at 20% upward movement should it succeed to break its next resistance level and might easily reach at 2.36. With our focus on this specific stock, let us continue monitoring and keep an eye on it as it moves higher up to the targeted level. And that is all we have for this week. In case there is a stock you want us to discuss on our review next week, you may send a message or comment in this channel with the domain name OFW Average Trader. You may also choose to reach out by sending me an email at engineeralejandromagno@gmail.com, or you can also send a message in my Twitter account or send a direct message in my Facebook page named Engineer Alejandro Magno. Take the opportunity while it is offered free. There is no secret to success. We just have to keep going and work harder. We will only lose a battle the moment we stop trying and believing. Before we finally end this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this channel to your friends, family, colleague, and fellow OFWs currently looking for a passive income. This might help to share the gift and opportunity to be financially literate. It might also help them secure their future and save their hard-earned money from price inflation. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Thank you for keep supporting this channel. Have a nice day and see you on my next video. Ciao!